Welcome back, y'all. So someone asked me if it's possible to use Jotform on an iPad, and yes, it is, and I'm about to show you how. So just log in to your Jotform account on your iPad. Everything that you've done anywhere else will still be there. All your forms will be there. You can add the form elements, which is the main point of a Jotform. Just go right over there to the left side of the screen. Everything on the iPad app looks exactly the same as the desktop app. So when you add your form elements, everything will look pretty much identical. And you can scroll through and pick one. I'm going to choose multiple choice. And if you want to move your form fields around, you just tap and hold. So on the desktop, it's a little bit different. It has like a little checkerboard icon for you to use your mouse to drag and drop. But on the iPad, you just hold it and drag it where you want it. Um, I haven't seen any features that are missing on the iPad app. Everything from the properties to changing the form colors to changing the welcome page, literally everything is identical as the web version of Jotform. So right here, I'm just editing the form field that I just added with those multiple choice boxes, and just typing in that this is a test field. I'm going to end up deleting this field because this is my actual form. So I don't want to keep this. I just wanted to add a form element for the purpose of making this video. So now we're going to change the colors of our form. You can do literally everything the same way you would do it on the web version of Jotform, and just go into the form designer and choose a color scheme or create your own custom color scheme. One of the best things about Jotform is that you can use it to send out automatic replies or autoresponders, as they're called in Jotform. This would be essentially what you would do if you were sending a welcome sequence to new subscribers or new people who placed an order or filled out your form. You can edit everything in the email content. It's going to default to the form that the person submits, but you can take that out of there. All you need to do is double tap on those rows to delete. It's basically a table of the questions that are on your form. But you can get rid of literally all of that. You can change the width and height of everything if you want to keep it in there. But I'm going to get rid of it for the purpose of this video. And I'm just going to make this like a quick test email. You can also change the subject line. I would encourage you to do that. And then check send when a submission is received. That would mean anytime someone fills out that form, they will get this email. You can also control when they'll receive the email and how often they'll receive the email. And then you can add as many as you need to add. So if you have a welcome email number 1, welcome email number 2, you can go back in your settings and add that. You can also change the sender name. It's going to default to Jotform, but you can default and change it to something else. And then the emails as well, you can change that. And then when you get ready to make sure it actually works and looks the way you want it to look, you can send yourself a test email. You just click that test email button down in the bottom right, and it'll turn green over there and show you that a test email has been sent. And this is what the subject line looks like, and my company name, the test one I just made. Jotform also integrates with a lot of email marketing providers. So if you go into your settings and then integrations, you can type in email and see all of the email integrations. So now we're back on the desktop. I am using the web version of Jotform on my MacBook Pro, and I'm going to log in and show you that everything is exactly how it is on the iPad. So if you're logged into your Jotform account, no matter what device you're logged into, if you make those changes on that device and then pick it back up on a different device, everything will stay the same. So we're going to go into our emails, and I'm going to click on that autoresponder 2 that I created. Just click the little pencil to edit. And as you can see, this is exactly the test email that I just created in the iPad. So that's how you do it.